This is full proof. The Sketch Kingdom will rue the day they banished me to this pit. Sometimes my genius is not frightening at all, actually. I'm acutely aware of how incredible I am. And now for a test run. And a tester, I'll need someone brave, fearless, smart, ready to take a risk if it means getting the job. Chicken! My arthritis is acting up again. Ouch! I didn't even give him bones. Well, Mr. Boneless Chicken, are you ready for the thrill of a lifetime?
Will it end my boneless misery?
I know what you mean. The misery of not having accomplished anything in your life. Of course, you flappy little rascal. Of course. Are you ready, my flaccid guinea pig?
I'm ready for the sweet release.
Launching in T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2... Don't my arthritis tunnel! No!
I'm finally coming home.
Oh, yes! When you make it up there, tell them I said kiss my wrist!
I'm still in tremendous pain, but this is really fun. Wait, I want to live. Oh!
That Red. He'll never learn. Not on my watch!
That loosey-goose sure is taking his time. Oh no! What if the plan didn't work? No! The plan! Yes, the plan, it was, seems to have slipped my palm. I can't quite remember. Well, looky what we have here. That wouldn't be the Queen coming down here to make a formal apology now, would it? Because I'll have you know that even though I appreciate the kind gesture, I cannot accept, for the torture that I've endured in this terrible pit cannot be sufficed by a simple, I'm sorry.
That was amazing! Now I want to see the world. What else is there to do?
Hello, I'm Real. Thank you all so much for watching this cartoon. Please be sure to check out our other cartoons such as Flochi, Nochi, and Tip, the story of two things that go around doing stuff. Or you can check out Underdog, the story of a young superhero who viciously defeats an evil biker gang. It is all a lot of fun. Oh, and of course, Boneless Chicken, the cartoon that this cartoon was inspired by. I will cease to exist after the credits stop rolling. Goodbye.
Sweet and sour chicken!